Hello everybody, I am already here in Paradise Island and I am touring everyone. I really wanted to have this. It's my dream job, and definitely I have this person in here. They are also welcoming us from Paradise Island, and we have a lot of tourists. The tourists are also really wanted to swim in a very crystal clear water, and this is also my friend. How are you? He's the Japanese. And also we have a Chinese. I thank you very sorry. Thank you very much. Nakapiso. Look at our tourists. I have a lot of tourists. Yeah, because we are all riding in a bicycle boat. And look at the Korean. She's a Korean.
안녕하세요.
And also we have a Mexican.
Hi guys, how are you? Kane.
Istanbul. Turkey. It's a Turkey. And also we have a Cambodian. And also this is from the Philippines. She's a native from the Philippines. It's very cool and exotic. Very so exotic. Look at you. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Oh, look at them. There we have a lot of tourists here in Paradise Island. Oh, yeah. Look at them. Yes, they're so very serious. Oh yeah, look at the tourists. They're also, very wonderful here. And thank you very much for the support from everyone. Oh yeah, thank you very much. Dulit. Seryoso. Ha.
Hi DJ. What's up?
Put your words,
Kalit lang, what's up? Tulungan ko kay kuya. Walang mo, ginaluya ako sa traffic. Ay! Kuya Cardo ba yun mo?
Ikaw nag-drive?
Ako.
Siya.
As in? SAR.
So wala ka nakulbaan bro?
Wala man kaya Cardo nakulbaan.
Si Kuya Cardo nakulbaan kayo. Siya nagkuhan. Yes.
Traffic.
Oh, asya. Napapoy na rin kay kuya nga.
Ka sa traffic.
Okay kayo.
Tayo na ginawa mga gilid, ba no? Mga gilid yung pinakaano na. May mga ano ba?
Isa pa doon tago mag-23 noong 94. Ito naman 92, tapos 94.
Oh, we have a lot of boat. Several boat, and we're also riding in a boat right now.
You may work for North Beach.